The biggest retro mystery: how did the Atari gun know where you aimed? Let's figure it out together with that creepy dog. First, the core concept: the gun is a sensor. Inside the barrel is a light-sensitive detector. When you pull the trigger, the game briefly makes the target area extremely bright. If the sensor sees that bright flash, it sends a signal back to the console. I saw the target. CRT doesn't show the whole image at once. It draws the picture line by line from top to bottom in a very predictable rhythm. Each point on the screen lights up for a tiny moment as the beam passes. That predictable scan timing is what the console can measure. Here's the clever trick. At the moment you shoot, the game briefly turns the screen mostly black, and the targets appear as bright white shapes. That way, the sensor is much less likely to be confused by background colors. If the gun sees bright white during that instant, the console knows it's probably the target. This is why the same gun often fails on modern LCD and LED TVs. Those screens add processing delay and don't behave like a scanning beam, so the timing-based position math falls apart. If your brain just detected a bright flash of nostalgia, hit that like button.